This is POWEROWL, 1200 cycles of recharge with their batteries. AA's and AAA's. The AA's are 2800 milliamp and the AAA's are 1000 milliamp. You get in this kit, nicely packaged. You get your 4 AAA batteries by POWEROWL, different color POWEROWL AA's, and the charging case. You get the USB cable and additional operating instructions on how to use your unit. The USB-A to micro cable is about 2 feet long. You simply find the location of the charging port with the wide end facing to the ceiling, plug in. You can plug this into a power bank or any 5-volt source. Plug in your power cable, 5 volts, 2 amps. You're going to notice red lights going across, then green lights going across, and then a solid green light. Please forgive the camera if this shows a flashing red and flashing green. Plugging in the red, the green, and the solid green. To charge a battery AA, simply place in to the cradle and lock down. You have a solid red light. After an hour plus, the light will turn solid green and your battery's 100% charged. The same principle for AAA goes into the back slot on a little angle, locks into place, and you have a solid red light for charging. The NiMH batteries can be put into the unit and also charged, as well as other AAA batteries. This unit also has what is called a repair. It'll go from a solid red when you plug in your battery to a blinking red, telling you the battery needs repair. Please forgive the camera if it shows these lights blinking. And we're going to simply just place in any rechargeable batteries that needs to be charged. And they can randomly be mixed, AA's and AAA's. When the batteries are completed, you'll see a green light, and that battery can be removed. You now charge your battery to full, the 2800 milliamp AA POWEROWL. And then you could take another battery, whatever size, AA, AAA, put one in its place, and you could alternate your charging. Whatever products you have that needs a AA, AAA battery, simply place in, turn on, and you're ready to use. Batteries can run in extreme weather. Batteries can run for long periods of time with enough power for many types of uses. This is a transmitter for an RC car. When batteries run low and you need to charge, place to the side and wait for an open port. We have 4 open ports ready to charge again. We remove the batteries that are fully charged. We allow the batteries to rest before we put in. And then we're able to charge our batteries all over again. 1200 recycles on each of the battery will last you a very long time. This may take a few tries in order to get the repair battery to fully complete. And there you have it, a repaired battery. POWEROWL, 4 AA, 4 AAA, 2800 on the AA, 1000 milliamp plus on the AAA, 1200 recycle times. Charge your batteries in any particular order you like and repairs. This is a product you may be looking for your battery replacement needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.